good thing, yeah. Now I got you on my right wing. Making love like it's casual. And you text me in the morning, you're available. Am I dreaming? Can't believe I forgot this feeling. Finally found the one in my life that I wanna be with. No more seeking. I'm sure I'll always choose you first. You're my baby, it's true. You're so damn worth it. There's no one like you. Yeah, too rare to find, 'cause you're one of a kind. No words to describe.
Do you guys hear that? It's like bird chirping. And well, what's up guys? Welcome back to It's Brian's World. And today we're sitting on my new patio right here in Red Hook in this beautiful townhouse style, a mixed use. This house, I have to say, it is phenomenal. So I would say further ado, let me enjoy my backyard outdoors amenities over here. Look at this, where I am sitting at. This is your terrace. But the beauty of this townhouse style is that you have almost every floors have your own terrace. So let's go and explore 430 Van Burnt Street in Red Hook. Let's go. Ooh, so nice. All right guys, we're gonna go inside right now and check it out. So this is the back entrance to your main floor. Right away you will greet with your open kitchen layout down here. So this is where you enter. That's the entrance door right there. And then you have your powder room right next to here. Here you go. This is a beautiful powder room. Large size. Look at that. Nice powder room, huh? Now, we're gonna move back out to the kitchen. So here it is guys, here's your kitchen. You have your island top where your sink is located right here. So you can face your outdoor terrace, like your backyard right here. And then the amazing thing is that right in this middle over here is a 25-foot high ceiling. What? In this house. It's crazy. Stainless steel appliance. You got a restaurant rated hooded system, so you cook whatever it is, it's gonna suck everything out. So there's no smell in here. But I would say the high ceiling over here is crazy. Take a look at the high ceiling. Look at that, guys. You see that? That's how high the ceiling is. You have your whole glass doors right here, windows, and then windows on top with so much lighting in here. Amazing. And so here, this is your stairway to go upstairs to your living room area. So let's go up there. All right. Man, do you guys see this? This living room area is massive. So you're not just getting hidden lighting from the front, but you get big window from the back from your high ceiling as well. And this living room space is humongous. This is, well, my estimation, I would say this is over 1,000 square foot by itself right here in this living room area. This is like a dance floor. Look at this. Oh my God. You could put your TV there. You could do anything that your imagination can do. You could chill over here. You know, look at the nice chair right there, sitting outside, looking out there, reading a book, anything that you want. This is a spot. Wow. Hardwood floors throughout. Now let's go check out the bedroom. There's 4 bedroom and 3.5 bathroom in this place. Plus, there's extra bonus I didn't tell you guys yet, but like I said, this is like a mixed use building, so you have an income generator if you wanted to utilize the front. Later on, I will show you the kind of like the commercial space down there. That one is over like 1,500 square foot down there with a bathroom itself too. Plus, didn't I tell you? I guess I didn't tell you yet. There's a parking space, a huge parking space as well over here in Red Hook. As you know, in New York City, parking space is so hard to get. And here it comes with a parking space as well. Let's go upstairs tour and I will tell you the price. That is your living room space. Wow, look how massive it is. And now look at this. This is crazy looking down, right? Up here, you have guests down there, you eat down there, but look how massive the ceiling is. 25-foot high ceiling. Wow, I love houses with a high ceiling, I have to say. It just makes the house look so much more elegant and so much more extravagant. So now let's go upstairs. Show you the bedroom. All right, guys, so here, this floor has 3 bedrooms. So you start out over here. This is one of your bedrooms with a closet as well. Closet over there. Okay, so that's the bedroom. And then walk over here. That's your second bedroom on this side. Same thing with a closet over there as well. Okay, and then here is your third bedroom. Okay, that's your third bedroom. And you have a closet over there as well. Plus, like I said, there's a terrace out here. Look at this. Let's go out there. All right. Now let's go out to your terrace and look how the view is. Wow. Look at that view. If it's a clear sky, I'm telling you, right over there, that's the Manhattan view. That's where is the Freedom Tower, and later on, crossing across is all Manhattan over there. But later on, we go up to the roof, I will show you again. But this is your terrace out here. Look how massive this thing, huh? Terrace right at the ocean. Red Hook over here. Right over there is where your kind of like your ocean is at, where your dock and all that other stuff is located. And here's the building itself. There's still so much more. Let's go. Man, as you can see, that terrace out there is so big. And here is your bathroom. Let me turn around, let you see exactly what you're getting. Here's your tub, your standard tub. You got it kind of like, this is tiles, not wood, but it looked like wood. Okay. Sink compartment, beautiful. Okay, so that's your bathroom on this floor. And here's your washer and dryer. Then you say, stack, washer and dryer. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs. And we'll take a look at the 4th bedroom now. Okay. Let me turn this around for you guys. First, you got a walk-in closet right here. This is your walk-in closet. This is your ensuite bathroom. Okay. So here's the sink compartment. Then you go over here, you got your stand-up shower right over here. So you can see, okay. Tiles, nice tile, toilet right here. And then you walk into your kind of like your primary bedroom is right here. It's really, really big. And then you just, it doesn't end there. You have your back terrace right here. And then here is your view as of outside. So like I said, every floors, you have your own terrace. So that other floor, you have that terrace down there. And then this floor, you have your back terrace. Let's go check out the view in the back terrace now. All right. So here's your back terrace. See that? So big. You can do barbecue like everywhere. You could chill out here. You could do anything. See, as you see, your neighbors is right over here. Their terrace is a little bit smaller than yours. This one is so much bigger. And the view over here, you can see on a clear day, if you see my finger pointing at, that Statue of Liberty right over there. And then all over here is the Manhattan view. Manhattan view. Wow, look at that. So nice. One thing about today while I'm filming this, let you guys know, New York is a little bit foggy right now because we are getting hit with like a firestorm or fire certain things right now from Canada, that the breeze is kind of like blowing down here to New York City. And that's why everywhere right now in New York is kind of foggy and it has that smell, like a burnt smell. So it's from the wildfire from Canada, and the air quality now in New York City is a little bit bad, but we're gonna see brighter day, I would say. But unfortunately in Canada right now, it has a major fire going on over there. I hope they can, you know, kind of like, how you say, make it go away. All right, let's go tour more. All right, nice painting over here. All right, so now we're gonna go to the top floor. Let's go to the top floor. All right, guys. Here it is. This is your rooftop. Oh, look at that. It's so nice, huh? You guys have so many spaces, outdoor spaces, so don't tell me that you don't have outdoor spaces. You got a view of the ocean over there. You got Manhattan view right over here. Statue of Liberty is right down there. It is so nice up here. So this is your rooftop, guys. Rooftop. I would say I could imagine 4th of July, because they are shooting the 4th of July usually right there at the Manhattan, kind of like a riverside over here near South Sea Seaport. That's where they shoot the firework. And if you live here, you have like the sight to be seen right here. Honestly, it's gorgeous. You see the whole island of Manhattan right over here in this house. It's amazing, amazing. Statue of Liberty is like literally right there on a clear sky. I would say you can feel like you're reaching out to Statue of Liberty and pick it up as a trophy, honestly. But this house is so nice, so nice. Oh man. So like I said, downstairs is a commercial space. It's around like 1,500 square foot over here. And the building itself over here, building townhouse style, like I say, 25-foot high ceiling and open kitchen style layout. And then you have the massive living room area, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom in this building. And the asking price is going for, comment down below, guess how much is it? Well, let me tell you, it's asking for $2.999. That's like $3 million for this house. There's no more to say. If you guys are interested in this property, please feel free to contact me. And I would say thank you to Kent for allowing me to film here and exploring and showing you what eXp Luxury can bring in New York City. So further ado, please guys, hit that like, share, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and for more, please follow. Thank you. Until next time, I'll see you. Now let me enjoy this view. Peace. Wow, there's this clear sky. I'm just reach out the Statue of Liberty right there, just grab it up. And then look at this. This is the Manhattan view all over here on your rooftop, where you could chill, relax on your nice artificial grass. And that's it, guys. Peace.